Have you ever dreamed of making money while you sleep? Imagine waking up to see your bank balance growing without actively working for it. That's the power of passive income. In this video, I'll share 5 passive income ideas that have personally made me money, even while I was catching some Z's. These strategies require different levels of investment, effort, and time. But once set up, they can generate income with minimal ongoing work. Let's dive right in. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the most powerful ways to generate passive income online. The concept is simple. You promote products or services, and when someone purchases through your unique affiliate link, you earn a commission. How I made money with it: I created a niche blog and wrote in-depth product reviews. I promoted software and tools I personally used via YouTube videos. I used social media to share recommendations and coupon codes. Key tip: choose affiliate programs with recurring commissions, such as software subscriptions, so you continue earning money every month from the same referrals. Print on demand, POD business. Print on demand allows you to sell custom-designed merchandise like t-shirts, mugs, and phone cases without holding inventory. The best part? The printing, shipping, and customer service are all handled for you. How I made money with it. I uploaded my designs to platforms like Redbubble, Teespring, and Printful. I focused on trending topics and evergreen niches like fitness, pets, and motivational quotes. I leveraged organic traffic from SEO and Pinterest. Key tip: use AI tools or freelancers to create multiple designs quickly and test what sells best. Selling digital products. Unlike physical products, digital products can be sold repeatedly without inventory costs. Once created, they become a great source of passive income. How I made money with it. I created and sold ebooks on niche topics I had expertise in. I built Canva templates for social media marketers and sold them on Etsy. I packaged knowledge into online courses and sold them on Udemy and Gumroad. Key tip: make your digital products as evergreen as possible so they remain relevant for years. Investing in dividend stocks. Dividend stocks allow you to earn passive income by investing in companies that share their profits with shareholders. How I made money with it. I researched and invested in companies with a strong history of paying dividends. I reinvested my dividends to compound my earnings over time. I used a brokerage platform that automated dividend reinvestments. Key tip: look for dividend aristocrats, companies that have consistently increased dividends for over 25 years. YouTube automation. YouTube is a powerful platform for generating passive income. By creating content that remains relevant over time, your videos continue making money long after they're uploaded. How I made money with it. I created faceless YouTube channels using AI-generated voiceovers and stock footage. I monetized through YouTube ads, affiliate links, and sponsorships. I optimized my videos for SEO, so they kept getting views over time. Key tip: focus on evergreen content, e.g., how-to guides, finance tips, and tech tutorials, to ensure consistent traffic and revenue. Final thoughts: passive income is not entirely effortless. You'll need to put in some work up front. But once these income streams are set up, they can generate money with little ongoing effort. The key is to start small, stay consistent, and keep optimizing. Which of these passive income ideas interests you the most? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more financial growth tips. Passive income, make money line, financial freedom.